Hello everyone, this is Dia and welcome to Clinivance Labs. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the process to enroll in and complete the Six Sigma White Belt certification. To begin, open Google and type Clinivance Labs. Click on the official Clinivance Labs website. On the left side of the page, you'll see a few options. Click on Communities and then click on Pharma Jobs and Certificate. Now scroll down to find the course titled Six Sigma White Belt Certification and click on Get Your Certificate Now. This will redirect you to the course page. Here, click on Enroll Now. It will take you to the checkout page and click on Proceed to Checkout. Enter a few details and then click on Place Order. Once that's done, you'll receive a confirmation email with a link to log in to your learner's portal. Click on that link and sign in. After logging in, you'll be able to see the course listed on your My Account dashboard. Click on Access Course and you'll find the lessons neatly listed on the left side of the screen. Each lesson includes videos, and once you've gone through all the lessons, you can move on to the certification exam. Click on Launch Exam and then complete the test. Once you successfully complete the assessment, your certificate will be ready for download. For more such free certification opportunities, subscribe to Clinivance Labs and stay updated on upcoming programs. Thank you.